On top with tori for today, President Muhammadu Buhari don approve new NDDC board. President Muhammadu Buhari don approve 16-man new board on top Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC) as Dr Pius Odubu, wey come from Edo State, na im tanda gidigba as the chairman of the board. For statement wey Permanent Secretary, General Service Office for Office of the Secretary to the Government of the Federation, Olusegun Adekunle, wey he sign for Secretary to the Government of the Federation, e tok say the appointment confirmation e dey Senate hand. For the statement, e tok say President Buhari don tok say as Senate go confirmate dis pipo, e don approve the board of Niger Delta Development Commission and say make the person wey dey act as manager before, dat na Prof Nelson Brambaifa, may e hand over power give senior director for the commission. The chairman and members of the new governing board don collect invitation to waka go office of the Secretary to the Government of the Federation for Monday, September 2, 2019, make they go do better documentation and give Ogbonge informate on top who dem be. The new members dem go waka go SDF office with dem certificate dem and ID card. For the board members dem, Bernard Ogbonge for Delta State, na im tanda as the managing director. Ogbonge dem wey come from Akwa Ibom, na im be the executive director for project matter for the commission. Other members wey dey the NDDC board na Maxwell Oko wey come from Bayelsa State, Jones Erue wey come from Delta, Victor Ekato wey come from Edo State, Joy Nune wey be Rivers, Nwogu wey come from Abia, Theodore Alison, that one na from Bayelsa State, Victor Antai, that one na Akwa Ibom, Maurice Efiwat, that one waka come from Cross River, Olugbenga Elema na from Ondo State, Uchegbu Kirian, that one na from Imo, Aisha Mohammed waka come from Kano, as in they represent Northwest for the board commission for Adamawa State. President Buhari still carry Ado Zubairu, may they represent Northeast, and Badmus Mutalib na im go represent Southwest for the NDDC board. Now here we see the Ogbonge informate reach as President Muhammadu Buhari don approve new NDDC board wey be 16-man member as Dr Pius Odubu, wey come from Edo State, na im tanda gidigba as the chairman of the board. Make una no forget say this Ogbonge informate wey dey reach una so on top this 16 new man commission for NDDC. On top with tori for today, na T Live Media na im bring am come gidigba come give una. And to continue to get this Ogbonge informate, make una like, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now first follow us waka enter Facebook to like and follow our page for T Live Media. And also we still get our website where una fit dey get Ogbonge update as e dey hot for www.tlivemedia.com.